educators. As we all know, life skills are extremely important in today's life, and as the school, we are consciously focusing a lot on them. With the beginning of this new session, I thought of introducing this focus right from day one so that it remains in their mind. And as we say whatever you do on the first day, you continue it throughout. So let me see how it works out. I will be taking a session on self-management in the first assembly. Now, I will be sharing this plan with you, and in turn, I request you all to share your plan for the first day as we learn from each other. Okay, so now I would like to start telling you more about this session. See, I had planned to begin this session with the icebreaker activity. I'm going to ask the students to take a moment and think one thing I wish to learn this year. After this, I will guide them to reflect deeper by asking them, is that wish you do want to learn is only related to your marks, or it is something deeper? Is it about your focus, your emotions, your habits, your confidence, your brain? Then I will connect this concept to self-management, and basically I would like them to learn how to unlock their brain power. So as a student now, when on this social media I'm finding a lot on this brain power, I am feeling that as a student, if I had more knowledge about it, my life would have been definitely different. How to harness the capacities of the brain. So this is what I'm going to tell, and naturally when they're able to harness their capacity of the brain, then they will be able to manage themselves. So this I will be introducing the very first day, and after asking them the questions which I was discussing for the icebreaker, I will continue that children, this is where self-management begins. Self-management means managing your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. The most important thing to understand is that every change you want this year will start from your thoughts. And this will be setting the foundation for helping the students to understand that their thoughts shape their feelings, actions, and ultimately their success. After this, I'm going to tell them how their brain works. Whenever any situation you face in life, that situation or that stimuli, whenever a stimuli is received from your receptor, it generates a response in you, a thought in you first, then a feeling in you, and then a response in you. And this is the full cycle which keeps on continuing. So I will show them the chart which is in front of you. You could see ABC chart, and I'll be discussing it step by step so that the children understand. Activating the event, first thing, activating event. That is, when in this case of a new session is entering a new class. So when you are entering a new class, definitely some thought will be created in you. This is my personal thought when I was a student. Whenever I used to enter a new class, I was an optimistic learner. So I had written, I am optimistic to learn more. Then, with this thought, some feeling will be created, that is excitement, and the action. Now, since your thought is positive, your feelings are positive, that will help you to take a positive action. That is, you will behave responsibly and attentively, because since you are an optimistic girl, that's how you are going to behave. This is the first every time you notice your thoughts and choose the positive one, you are learning how to manage yourself better. So this I will be explaining them, and after that I want them to start this activity throughout the year. So for that I will be discussing with them that throughout this year you have to pay attention on your thoughts and cancel the unhelpful ones. Create some imaginary bin in your brain and throw those unhelpful thoughts in there. And write the helpful thoughts every morning in the class in your life skill notebooks. Prepare this ABC chart. Any activating event, anything you can think of has happened since morning, then what type of thought it has created, you have to select the positive thought and you have to focus on that. So daily you have to do this activity, and then I would, since I'm talking about the harness of the brain power, so I would like them to indulge in some brain gym exercise as shown in this video. I will train them for that, but this will help them. And for the pre-primary section and even the primary section, I would be suggesting bilateral exercises using both hands, so that both these hemispheres of the brain, left and right hemispheres, are activated. And apart from this, one thing more which is there in my mind, and we do it also as a part of our school deep breathing exercises, but this time I would like that we do it before each and every period, deep breathing exercises for just 1 minute. That helps the children to settle also, and also activate their vagus nerve. And through all these activities on daily basis, we will be seeing that the children's brain power is becoming better day by day. This is what I feel based on my experiences over the years. And with this, I would be concluding the video also, my assembly also. But I really would love to have just one word in the comment section. How did you like this concept? Okay, thank you. Let's support each other and learn from each other.